we are using our hands to make some scenery. We have made the mountains with our hands. Now we are making some flowers on the ground, and you can see we are coloring it, and this beautiful scenery is ready now. Now we will use our hand to give it a shape. You can see we are making an ice cream cone from it. We have made the cream and the cone. Now we will add the straw and some cherries on it. Next we will add the texture to the cone. You can see now we will color it, and you can see how beautiful and tasty it is looking now. Next again we are using our hand to make some bunch of bananas. You have already seen what we have made. We will make and we will show you again how to make it. We are using the marker here. You can see we have made the bananas, and we are making the upper part of the banana. Next we will make the stem of the banana. Now we will color it. So again we have folded our hands to give the shape on the paper and started drawing with the marker. You can see we are making a chicken leg piece. You can see how we have given the texture to it, and after making it we will color it.